We have always believed that informal workers and informal businesses are concentrated in the rural heartland of India. But recent survey of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation have shed a light on certain things. They have said that in the 40 most populous cities of India, the cities which are having the population of more than 1 million, so more than 2 crore informal workers are working in these cities. These informal workers, where their wages are not fixed, working hours are not fixed, and they are working as a labor. So these informal workers are working in these cities. Meanwhile, their wages, I will talk about later in this video, but 26% of these workers are women. And we all know that how women are being always been persecuted in terms of their wages as compared to their male counterparts, especially at the informal sector. Because if we talk about the women labor workforce participation, which is now currently at the 40%, but the 80 to 85% of these participation of women is mostly in the informal sectors or in unincorporated sector, where their wages are not fixed, their wages are being persecuted or discriminated as compared to their male counterparts, and most of them are also concentrated in agriculture sector. So these workers which are working in the informal sectors, if I talk about their wages overall, so cities like Hyderabad and Bengaluru are paying them certain a good amount of wages like 2.33 or 2.14 lakh per year. But talk about the lesser numbers, Gwalior is the city which is just providing only 88,000 of rupees to them per annum. And there are several other cities, and including cities in the Bihar, we all know their situation as well, the per capita income of these people. So that is a very concerning thing, and this needs to be addressed at the top level, because the data for this unincorporated sector or the informal sector for these workers are often not available. We all know what has happened in the labor's protest in Noida. People were demanding the hike in the wages because the cost of living, especially in the Delhi NCR cities or cities like Jaipur, Hyderabad, are already continuously increasing. Thank you.